everyone? Today I have a very special video for you guys. This is a celebration for Codetalkers. I was able to get some Codetalker packs from like 2017, 2018 and stuff. We got Code of the Duelist. Pretty nice set. Got Dark Neostorm as well. Savage Strike. Very good set. And we got Cybernetic Horizon, as well as some of the newer Cyberstorm stuff. Cyberstorm Access as well. Got some Maze of Millennia and 4-pack, like I said, 4 packs of Cyberstorm Access. So this is going to be a really fun video. There's a lot of different sets in this video. As well, guys, we're not done. We have some more stuff that we're bringing out. We got this Chaos box from Walmart. 2 booster packs, 1 light pack. You could get a Codetalker set in there. Might start off the video with this. Get those IP mask Vrains sleeves. I don't know if you're lucky. Yeah, you can be lucky to get it. Maybe a Dark Sabers pack. We got this Valiant Smashers. I don't know how good this set is, but it looks pretty good. Side set. We'll probably start out with that. And then, last but not least, Rarity Collection 25th Anniversary. You guys know what it is. 5 packs. Let's get it. Haven't opened this, so we're going to finally open it. So make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let's get this video a lot of likes and subscribe. Alright guys, let's get this show on the road. Valiant Smashers. Try to make this fast for you guys. These packs are smaller. Oops, upside down, huh? Valiant Smashers. 25th anniversary set though. I don't know what's in this set. You guys can read it, what it says, but I'm just gonna go straight in. Just washed my hands too. We got clean hands. Swap Deity. Metal Morph Goblin. Get a holographic. Monotellmy and Tetsuchigo. Honored Dragon. Ghost Sheep. Spooky Dogwood. Sustained Glass and Light and Dark. Archlord Christia. Best way to open these is to the side. Let's see what we get out of here, guys. So, the packs we get is Elemental Heroes. Sleeves, okay. I'll take them. You guys can see the shine on those. Nice. I mean, I don't use Elemental Heroes, but I'll take them. We get Legendary Duelist, Light Edition, Magical Hero, Tactical Masters, Blazing Vortex. Not very good sets, I don't think, but we can see what we can do. Alright. So we'll go into this Magical Legendary Duelists. I believe this is the rare set. I don't know. It's the rare set that comes in there. Set feels light though. Low key. Illusion of Magic. Tuning. Magician of Dark Illusion. Okay. Cards feel weird. They're from like Europe or something. Different print. Tactical Masters. Ooh, Scapegoat. Pretty good card, huh? Absolute King Jack Black. Or Backjack. Pendulum Switch. That one's pretty good, I think. Malice Lady of Lament. Nezuko Valiance Ninja. Mad Morkas. Labyrinth something. These cards feel weird. The whole card's supposed to be holographic like that? Is that real? Or is that fake? I don't know. They feel weird to me. Alright, we got Blazing Vortex. Maybe this is like a European print or something for the cards. more glossy like. Tri Brigade. Radiant. Something. Ojama Pink. Knight of the Dragon Armor. Armor Dragon level 5. War Rock Ordeal. Icy Breezy Refrain. Raging Storm Dragon Beetroot. Virtual World Gate Zen. Wow. Pretty cool looking card. Alright guys, we got the 25th anniversary rarity collection. 5 packs inside here. Take them out for you guys. The best set of 2023. Or yeah, best set of 2023. Alright, rarity collection. Pack number 1 to open. Let's see what we get real quick. Got Eldridge the Golden Lord. Did I have that? Blackwing. Of course, Codetalker. Galaxy Eyes Full Armor Photon Dragon. Another Codetalker. We're gonna be selling some Codetalkers. Alright, another rarity collection pack. Come on, give us a 25th anniversary. We want a quarter century right now, guys. Ash Blossom or something. Give us something. Alpha, the Master of Beasts. Ooh, number 100 Numeron Dragon. I really wanted this card, actually. I'll take that. Tour Guide, is that a good card? Ooh, we get that Century Rare. I never had one of these, I don't think. This type of rarity. This is like a new type of rarity. A Sword Soul card. Alright, we're going to go into a Maze of Millennia pack. Only have 2 minutes to record on here, so we got to be quick. Got to delete some recordings. Maze of Millennia. We're looking for a transaction rollback. Come on, Code Access Codetalker, bless me. Oh my god. These are some crazy looking cards though. Earthbound Servant, Geo Griffin. Millennium Revelation. Synchro Chase. Gazelle, the King of the Mythical Beast. Code Hack. Wait, this card's out now? I forgot to buy this one. Alright, we got a Codetalker card, Code Hack. Cyberse Link monsters you control cannot be destroyed by your opponent's card effects. Once per turn, during the battle step, if your monster battles an opponent's monster, you can activate this effect. The opponent's monster's attack becomes 0 until the end of the turn. Also for that battle. Monsters cannot be destroyed by battle and neither player takes battle damage. That opponent's monster must be face up on the field to activate this and resolve this effect. When your opponent activates a card or effect during the damage step that your Codetalker monster is attacking in, you can banish this card from your graveyard and negate the activation, and if you do, your attacking monster gains 700. So there you guys go, Code Hack. Pretty good trap card for the Codetalkers. This is going in my deck for sure. Got Cyberstorm Access. I think I want Cyberstis or Worm out of this. Maybe Chaos Angel. Something, guys. Alright, we got the Gookin. Pendulum Pendant. Imperial Princess Inquiry. There's the Dissaworm. We needed that. Guys, we needed that. I was calling it too. Reincarnation, Sarah Empress, Fusion Duplication, Cyber Sage, Mandanium Breakheart. I need a new Mandanium card too. Heavy Samurai. Okay. Going into another Cyberstorm Access pack. Hopefully we can pull something insane, guys. A secret, maybe. Mandanium Reframing. I think I had this one. Fallen of Agros. Pig Iron Pen Pig. Ooh, we pulled an Ultra Perlifly. What is this? Ring Go Worm, the Dragon Guardian of the 100 Apples. This fool likes apples. Ultra rare though. Okay, Sword Soul Punishment, Sword Soul stuff. Mandanian Breakheart, New Frontier, and Amazing Abomination for New Minion. Pulled a UR out of one of these regular packs, so that's nice. Pulling a UR, ultra rare. Another Cyberstorm Access, double hooking. Guken Suship, Kitsunebi, Golden Beast, Harvest Angel of Doom, Tower, Fusion Duplication, Cyber Sage, Mandanian Breakheart, and there's that. Alright, one last pack of Cyberstorm Access, guy, for Access Codetalker. Let's bring in the heat. What do we got here? Into the Branded, for the Branded deck. Perlifly, Chaos. How did that? Mandanium Meek, Mandanium card. That Mandanium Imaging, Reinforce. That's some Mandanium cards for our Mandanium deck, looks like. Nice. Alright guys, we're going to start off with Cybernetic Horizon. Never opened up this set. Missed out on the Codetalker era, so we're bringing it back. We're bringing back the era. Mini Boral Dragon. Performable Handsmaker. Spooky Ring Trainer. Cosmo Brain. And what do we get? Crusadia Maximus. I don't think hollows were guaranteed in these sets, I'm not sure. Or maybe they were. White Stingray. Crusadia Lunonis. Turning the World. Mephoys the Decoy Dragon. I mean, at least we got one. Next we have Savage Strike. See what we pull out of here. Seems kind of weird. Prank Kids, Shinobu Necro, Unisong Tuning, Shinush Francis Shape, Implication Inception, Cyberburst Converter. I think I might need that card. Another Cyberburst card. Subterra Guru. I'm not gonna lie guys, I bought this pack online, so this is the pack I bought from like an actual retailer store. See how it's like all super shiny at the top, right? Now look at this one. I bought this from a guy. Resealed. It was resealed for sure. Go give that guy a bad review. Okay, Dark Neostorm. This is for sure not resealed. At least what I can tell. Got the Salamat Phoenix. Oops. The Dangerous Dragon. Dino Wrestler Consultant. Oh, we got it! The Firewall Exceed Dragon. Let's go. We got the cover card. God hands. Okay. And then you pull in a super rare. Getting some Dino cards. I've wanted that card so bad. Implication, Thrantonus, Tyrant, Dino Fusion. That's how we do. That's how we do it, guys. It's the centering's off, but sheesh. Firewall Exceed Dragon, ultra rare. card's insane. It basically gain a bunch of attack if it's linked to a link monster. I use it in Master Duel, Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel. Code of the Duelist. We pulled an ultra rare. I'm feeling it good. We pulled 2, I think, ultra rares out of these. Well, not counting the anniversary stuff, but let's go. We got Junk Breaker, Jade, Twilight Swordsman General, Pulse Mines. This card looks cool. I might use this. Never seen that before. Boogie Trap. What is it? What is it? Salivant. Oh, Salivant Driver. I need this card. Ultra rare too. And you get back to the front. That's actually good. Let's go. Twilight Twin Dragons. Gravity Lash. FA for the FA deck. FA Downforce. Alright, we still have 3 rarity packs to go. Let's try to finish this off, guys. We won a 25th anniversary. God Hands, baby. Egyptian Gods. There it is. Good sign. Oh, dude, I thought, is that? No, that's just a secret rare. Huh. I thought it was a effect veiler. Junk Speeder. And a Dogmanica. Okay. Rarity collection. Let's go. Come on, give me a 25th anniversary card. Alright, we have you. Ooh. Tour Guide. Forbidden Droplet. Dark Ruler no more. These are God tier cards. That one. Okay. Alright, Maze of Millennia. Archfast Protocol, Doppel Warrior, Colorless Chaos Dark World. That card looks crazy. Kabir Stone, Chain, Altageist, Earthbound Release. Okay. Ghost Trick. Oh, what is this? I don't know what that is. Dimension Shifter. Ooh, what rarity is that? Summon Limit? I don't know what kind of rarity that is, but okay. Ice Dragon's Prison. And that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Peace.